Hello everyone, today we're bringing you a list of the top 50 worst driving moments, along with some hilarious and cringe-worthy situations featuring fools on the road. You won't believe the absurd things we're about to share, from unbelievable car crashes to disastrously failed parking attempts, and drivers with skills that are, let's just say, questionable. Get ready for some of the most outrageous driving fails. After watching, you'll definitely appreciate safe and smooth rides a lot more. Buckle up and join us as we dive into the madness. Suddenly, a car unexpectedly plunged from the highway overpass, causing everyone around to panic. The scene turned chaotic, with car horns blaring and people screaming in all directions. The car fell freely at a terrifying speed, creating a horrific impact as it hit the ground. Onlookers could not believe their eyes, and a wave of fear swept through the entire area. The woman had just walked away from her storage area when suddenly a car came crashing straight into that spot. The incident happened in an instant, and everything seemed to be down to a stroke of luck. The car struck the exact place where she had been standing moments earlier, scattering her belongings everywhere. Those around were horrified by the scene, but fortunately, the woman had moved away just in time and was unharmed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our videos. Click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as we release new content. Your support is our greatest motivation to continue creating engaging and valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your time with us. A car is reversing on the highway, creating an extremely dangerous situation. Reversing at such high speeds is absolutely unacceptable and completely violates traffic safety regulations. Surely, once the footage of this entire incident is handed over to the police, the driver will face serious consequences, and it's highly likely that his license will be revoked immediately. The driver of the black car, while passing through an intersection with a traffic signal, failed to slow down and caused a serious accident. Despite the traffic light having turned red, the driver continued at high speed, leading to a violent collision with other vehicles. The accident not only severely damaged the vehicles involved, but also caused panic and distress among those nearby.
Piano figa, io porco, piano figa, ho detto piano figa.
Collisions at intersections with traffic signals occur frequently, often due to drivers not paying attention or deliberately running red lights. Fortunately, in this case, there were no serious injuries, only a minor collision. The vehicles sustained some scratches and dents, but this serves as a reminder of the importance of obeying traffic signals and staying focused while driving. What do you think in this situation? Who is right and who is wrong? Do you believe this incident could have been avoided with more attention from both parties? Please leave your comments below to share your thoughts and discuss the factors that led to this collision. Your feedback can help raise awareness about traffic safety and improve driving skills for everyone. Thank you for watching the entire video. We're delighted to share engaging and valuable content with you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our latest uploads. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as we release new content. Follow our channel to stay updated with exciting videos and useful information in the future. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next videos.